Hi everybody, welcome to this video. We will be creating or we will be adding applications to our Facebook business page. There's different applications, there's tabs. Let me just go here to the page for the apps and I can show you. So you can get apps for custom tabs. You get email captures where you can add a contact form on your Facebook page. Like you can run also quizzes, polls, free and surveys through your Facebook page for all your listeners and followers. You can integrate your blog on your website. So there's a lot of applications that you can add. This is also great ones. These apps help you schedule posts through different social media, so you can install them on your page. Same with social media integration applications. You can add all your applications. Yes, Instagram, add your Instagram and Twitter, and then I think there should be a YouTube also in podcasts. For this one, I'm just gonna add YouTube and Instagram to my Facebook page. Just to go back to my page, you can just go to Facebook, type in Instagram, and then you'll see on the top banner, you need to click on applications. I think this one was already up applications, and then I think this one is not the application. This is the first one is just like Instagram itself, because Facebook owns Instagram. You'll directly go to Instagram if you use this one. So this is the page app. I'm going to use this one. Just use now. You come to this page, just scroll down and add to your Facebook page for completely free. The other apps you need to pay for, so yeah, there's usually a monthly fee that you need to pay for other applications. This that I show you now will be free applications. So you'll see is my Instagram. Click here to set up your Instagram. Will allow users to access the tab via, I'm gonna say yes, people should access it. Okay, now I need to upgrade. Let's skip that. Connect Instagram. So Instagram mostly work from your phone. In the save settings, and then you can go back to your page, refresh, Instagram photos will be here. And then of course with the page layout in the previous video, you can use and move this Instagram tab to the top where you can get more viewers. Another app to add is YouTube. As if you have a YouTube channel, it's very important. You can even just like or subscribe your YouTube channel, and everything that you like you can also add on this channel. This application for YouTube. Click apps. I'm gonna add this one. No, this one. I love this one. I'm just gonna click use now. Add this app to your page. Select your Facebook page. Add page tab. And it's busy installing the application on your Facebook page. Here we go. And you just fill in all your details for your Facebook need to go here, go to settings, advanced settings, and here's your channel ID. I'm gonna add it now. I think that's all that you actually need to enter. You come up with your whole YouTube channel, and as I said in a previous video of mine, you can use and move all these tabs to the top. And that's also, the same with if you want to go and add Howto. It's a very great app. Sorry. So this is one of the best applications for your Facebook. It's also good rated. And you can install it, and then you can add different all these differences tabs onto your Facebook page, and that is Facebook applications for your Facebook business page. Thank you for watching the video.